Hi, Ceres. Hi, Ceres. What you doing, Sissy Mama? Hi. Out that teddy bear, but I remember he picked that one out himself at the store. Is that your baby? Yeah? Oh, look, it's a baby. You want me to hold him? He doesn't want me to be without something, I guess. All right, let me run through it. Hi, Monster. I love you. You gonna come up? Hi, Sissy Mama. Hi. Oh, there's a hat. Here comes Monster. Here comes Monster. Hi. Really? You want to play? Oh, thank you. Thank you, baby. You want to play? He's asking. Sure. Hi, mamas. Oh. Now stand her. My little monster's so grown up. You're so grown up, mamas. Hey, Ceres. Hello. Are you sassy, mama? Dow. Dow. Here comes little daddy. Here comes little daddy. Oh, thank you. Look, this is wow. Tell Grandma you're silly. Oh, what happened? Look, you want me to go with you? Yeah? Alright, let's put these here for Ceres. We'll be back, mamas. Going on an adventure with Zachy. Okay, show me. Show me. Okay, come on, show me. Let's go. Show me. Alright, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh. Hey, mamas. Hey, mamas. Hey, Zachy, I love you. Ceres.